Hello all. So in this video, we will discuss about the except operator. So except operator returns all unique rows from the first query that are not present in the results of second query. So both queries must return the exact same number of columns. So we have two tables, customer 1 and customer 2. The table contains ID, name and age. So in the both the table, the ID for the Kavita is common for both the tables. Okay. So we are using except operator, then it will return all unique rows from the first query. So we can check that. So we are using select star from customer one. Except select star from customer two. So Kavita is common for both the tables, right? So first query return the unique rows. So it will return Arun, John, Abdul, and Sarah. You can execute this query. See, we are getting Arun, John, Abdul, and Sarah. So both the queries must return the same number of columns. Suppose we need to give here ID, name, age. Same thing we can apply here also. We will run this. We will get the same result. Suppose here we are not passing age, then it will not work. We will run this, we will get error. Okay, so both queries must return the exact same number of columns. And the corresponding column must have the compatible data type and the same order also. Okay, suppose here we are telling age, and after that we are telling name. That also not possible. So this time also we get error. Okay. So order must be same order only. Okay. So now age. Okay. Then we can just execute this. Then we are getting the output. And here we can use the wait also. So we can just use here the age between 20 and 30. Downside also we need to use. We can copy this, paste here, and run the query. Then it is filter data. Age between 20 and 30. Okay. Now I want to order this data. Okay. So in that time we need to use order here only in the second query. Okay. So here we can use order by ID descending. Then we will run this. Now it is ordered, right? So except operator returns all unique rows from the first query. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching.